None of these plays will be good.
What?
He's Shaqtin food.
What?
He's Shaqtin food.
What?
He's Shaqtin food.
What?
He's got a new sponsor, Penn.
Number 4, Buddy Hield.
Buddy.
More like
Buddy.
Shield your eyes.
My buddy. Oh. Good pass. Look at, is that DeMarcus?
He's not on your team anymore, buddy.
Very nice.
Buddy, y'all let him go.
Wow, very nice.
Number 3, Joel Embiid.
Embiid is on there?
When a windmill goes downhill.
Oh, yeah, that was crazy.
Oh.
Yeah. He should have just regular. Well, no, I would have tried to win there if I
Oh, stop it.
If I had his skill, I would have tried.
Yep, that's better.
Nice use of
Number 2,
liberty,
Bam Adebayo.
Bam?
CSI Miami stands for call Shaqtin immediately.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
Called Shaq.
That's not a Euro step.
Sniper.
That's a South Dakota step. Like American South Dakota. Oh, my God.
Like on my man David Caruso.
And
number 1, Jordan
for real?
Mickey.
Yep.
International Shaqtin alert.
Oh,
Face it, this is one way to get ahead.
Oh, it went in though.
Yeah.
No, that's a good play. Good in.
Ah.
It was a good play.
Jordan Mickey, did he go to LSU?
Oh, yeah, he did.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
it didn't
close
go
his
in.
eyes. Close your eyes. Watch his left.
Oh, it went in.
Oh, that went in.
Ooh. Chuck, if you just would have moved your head a little bit.
He won? McKinney?
Jordan Mickey, yeah.
Oh.
Mickey won.
Oh, very nice.
If you like this video, click right here to subscribe. Or right here, or right here, or right here. Just subscribe, dummy.